Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and today's topic is the introduction to pharmacovigilance. So let's start with the definition and the derivation of pharmacovigilance. So pharmacovigilance is the science or activity relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and the prevention of any adverse drug reaction or any adverse effect or any other problem related to the drug. So pharmacovigilance is derived from the Greek word which is known as pharmakon, that means the drug or medicine, and the another one is vigilance, which means to watch. So pharmacovigilance in simple word is the drug monitoring or to watch the drug. So there are four important terms in the pharmacovigilance, mainly detection, assessment, understanding, and last one is the prevention. So first one is detection. So let's see detection. For example, in case of clinical trial, the investigator, and in case of post-marketing trials, the physician, then the reporter or the patient himself who can report the adverse event caused due to drug or any drug related problem. Then second is the assessment. The investigator or the healthcare professional, that is SCP, would be assessing the adverse event is caused by the drug or due to the any other reason. Then third is the understanding. The reporter and safety specialist is involved in the understanding of adverse event or drug related problem. And the last is prevention. Prevention is done by proactively reporting the adverse event caused due to drug to the regulatory authority and taking precautionary actions to avoid or to prevent the adverse event in the future. Now we see the how pharmacovigilance was arised. There is a history behind the pharmacovigilance, and that history is related to the thalidomide disaster. In late 1950s and early 1960s, there is a use of thalidomide in 46 countries by the women who were pregnant or who subsequently become pregnant, resulted in the biggest man-made medical disaster ever, which results more than 10,000 children born with the disorder phocomelia. Phocomelia is the congenital birth anomaly which results in the shortened limbs or shortened arms of the human being, and as well as the thousands of miscarriages. Now the second one is the brief history of pharmacovigilance in India. In 1982 to 1989, ADR monitoring system for India was proposed, which includes the 12 regional centers. Then in 1997, India joined the WHO ADR monitoring system or program, which includes the three centers, mainly KEM, JLN and the AIMS. From 2004 to 2008, National Preview Program was established, and finally in 2010 the Pharmacovigilance Program of India was started, which is known as PVPI. Now let's see the aim and scope of the pharmacovigilance. So first one is related to the public health, to improve the patient care and safety in relation to the medicine and all medical and paramedical interventions. Then second one is the public health, to improve the public health and safety related to the use of medicine. Then third one is the risk benefit assessment, to contribute to the assessment of risk, benefit, harm and effectiveness of the medicine. And last one is the communication, to promote understanding, clinical training and effective communication to the health professionals and the public. So now the objectives of pharmacovigilance. So there are mainly two objectives of pharmacovigilance. So first one is the reduction of frequency and the severity of adverse event of drug while monitoring or improving the efficacy of drug. Then second one is the quality of drug is mainly or particularly depends on the pharmaceutical industry and the authorities responsible for their approval in the market and withdrawal if necessary and the recommendations for their use. Now see the why ADR is needed. So it has been suggested that ADR may cause nearly 5,700 deaths in the UK according to the reports obtained in 2004. Then ADR may the fourth to sixth commonest reason for the death in the UK in 1994 according to the reports obtained in 1998. Insufficient evidence obtained from animal experiments and clinical trials which cannot fulfill or which cannot tell properly about the ADRs. About total capacity of hospital, there are 6.5% of admission are due to the ADR patient, and about 800 bed in hospitals are occupied by the patients affected due to ADR, and the cost of ADR is nearly about $446 billion per annum. So pharmacovigilance is needed for the humanitarian concern, safe use of medicine, then promoting rational use of medicine and adherence, then adverse drug reactions are expensive. Sometimes ADR may cause death, and for the ethical concerns, the pharmacovigilance is needed. And dying from a disease is something unavoidable, but dying from a medicine is unacceptable. So the pharmacovigilance is needed. Thank you.